And welcome to this video. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finishing the video upload script. So what I mean by that is we're going to be doing things like checking for duplicate uploads by checking whether the if a video's already been uploaded. But we're not going to be checking the file name. We're going to be checking the actual video file itself, and that way we can stop duplicate uploads like YouTube does, so that every video has to be slightly different. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing, and we'll also be finishing things like the uploading the date the video was uploaded, because at the moment we just have a date, and well, we'll see how we get on with that, and then if we have extra time we'll do some other stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the database, and I'm going to go to the videos table, and as you can see here I have an extra file or an extra column than you do, and it's just a varchar of length 32, and it's the name of it is file underscore md5. That's the only difference between my videos my videos table and yours. So just add that field into your table by going to the bottom and just clicking go, and yeah, you should be good to go after that. So we're just going to check that everything's still working, because it's been a while since the last video. So as you can see here, I have the videos folder, it's empty, and the videos table is also empty. That's why we can't go to browse. So what we're going to do is we're just going to type in some information. Okay, actually, before we do that, we need to, since we added a new row to or a new column actually to our table, we just need to add the column to the query, because if the column count of the query doesn't match the column count in the database, the query won't work. So we're just going to write md5 underscore file in here until we generate the md5 hash of the file, just so that's sort of a placeholder. So we're going to refresh, and we're going to try and put some random information in now. So I'm just going to upload test video 1, and we're going to click upload, and it's very quick because it's uploading from my computer to my computer, and it's a small file anyway. So we're going to check that worked now. So if we click on the videos table, we should go to the browse section, and it says we have one row inside of our table. We scroll down, we have one row, the one we just added, and everything seems to have worked. Then we can check that our video was uploaded, and it wasn't. So okay, we need to have a look. Okay, the reason the video wasn't uploaded is because it says here, once we've finished inserting the video into the database, we have a query or a function here called die, and that basically stops the rest of the page being run. So it sort of stops the page execution at that point, and echoes out a message. So what that's basically done is when the query was done, it's killed the page, and then it's ignored all of this, which is the part where we actually move the uploaded file to the videos directory. So that's really simple to fix. All we have to do is delete this, and we'll try it again. So let's just put in anything. Okay, and click on test video 1 and click upload. Check the database. It should not have made any difference, because we didn't actually change the query or anything. So yes, we have two rows in our database, and here's the new row we just added. Everything seems to have worked on the query side, and we're going to go to the videos table, and as you can see, we have our new video uploaded that we didn't have before. So that shows that's the problem. We fixed it. So we're ready to actually start the actual video, really, with comparing or storing the MD5 hash of the video file, so we can compare it when we upload a video. Okay, so what we need to do is to generate the MD5 hash of the file. There's a function inside of PHP that will do this for us. but we need to tell the function where the file is. So that's really easy to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here, and we're just going to call the function file underscore md5. It could be md5 file, I'm not 100% sure, but it doesn't matter. We can fix it if it's wrong. So here we have the file of the uploaded video file here. This is the file name, because as you can see it says data/user/videos, and then there's some variables. So that means these two variables together are the video file name, which we can see here. The first part of the string is the random generated text. Okay, so the first part of the file is the random generated string that we used to give every video a unique name, and the string at the end is just the original video file name. Okay, so we just need to copy this, and to make things look a bit better, we can store it in a variable. So we just call this variable file name and store it in here. And we need to get rid of these two quotes and the dot, because we only need one, because we're appending these two variables together. So to do that, we just put the dot in between, and it adds them together, sort of. And here we just want to give the md5 file function the file name, and we want to try out our script now. So what we want to do is we just want to run it normally. So we can just type anything into the box, anything into that box, anything into this box. Doesn't matter whether we choose private or public for the privacy. We upload our video file and click upload. So undefined function. So it turns out that the function name must be md5 underscore file. And while we're here, we actually want to echo it so we can see the output of the okay, we can actually use the die function, because the only thing that this is doing is these two lines of code are from the profile image script, and this just echoes video was successfully uploaded. So we can ignore these three lines and just replace this with a die function to see the result of the command. Or the function, it's not a command. Okay, so we're going to put in some random information, and we're going to upload our video. Okay, so md5 file that failed to open stream, and that's because what the md5 file function is looking for is it's sort of taking this and it's looking for video box / that video, and this obviously doesn't exist because all of the videos are stored in a directory. Where is it? They're stored in the data/user/videos directory. So obviously this function is not going to work, so we just need to tell it where the video actually is. So that's really easy. All we have to do is go to our text editor, and we type in for file name. We just append a string onto the front of it, and the string is data/users/videos /. So now what this does is it tells the file md5 function or md5 file function to find the video file. It tells it the correct directory to look in. So we're just going to put some random information in here. We're going to click choose file again, and we're going to upload it. And we get the md5 string of the file. This isn't the actual string of the file name. This is the md5 hash of the file itself. So this way we can use these. We can store this, and we can compare. Videos when we upload them to check for duplicate uploads. So what we can do now is we can store that in our database, because we know it worked. So instead of dyeing that, we can just store it in a variable. So we could say md5 file equals that. And then we just use a query, so we could say MySQL query. And since we've already inserted the video into the database up here, we're going to leave this blank actually. And since we've already inserted it up there, it means we have a row in our database, so we can, instead of inserting a new row, we can update it. So what we're going to do to update it is we're just going to, okay, instead of updating it, we could just copy insert and, okay, no, we'll just update it. So we'll just create a new query and update the existing row. So we're going to say update videos, set md5 file equal to md5 file. And what this will do is just update the query. So the md5 file column in our database, I think it's called, so let's scroll over, or it's file md5, so we want to update file underscore md5 and set it equal to the hash, or the md5 hash of the file. So let's run that now. Doesn't matter about the privacy, we can just set it to anything and we can upload the video. The video was successfully uploaded, that's good. We click on videos to reload the table. We have 6 columns, or 6 rows, because we've done this a few times, but this is the new one we just done. If we scroll over, we can see we've updated it, but we've actually updated all of the videos with the same hash. So what we need to do is we just need to actually add a where clause to our query. So what a where clause is it basically just means we add this is sort of a set clause technically, so we're just telling it to set that equal to, or set the file md5 column equal to the md5 hash of the file. So equally, instead of a set in capitals, we're going to use where because it's a where clause, and we just give it a condition, sort of like an if statement, and if the condition is true, then it will run the query. So what we're going to do is we just want to say we're let's scroll up actually. Okay, we're going to use the video ID because that's unique to every video. So we're just going to say where video underscore ID is equal to video underscore ID. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to erase all of these rows and we're going to run the script again. Okay, so I've just erased all of the videos in the database, and okay, we'll actually delete them in the folder too. So I've just deleted them from the folder as well, and now we're ready to go. Ooh. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put anything in the title, description, and keywords. Choose file, doesn't matter, we'll just choose that because it's the only one we've got. We're going to click upload and we're going to check the videos table and the videos folder. The video was uploaded successfully to the folder, and we go to the videos table and we see the file md5 is correct. But okay, I just thought of a problem. We can't really compare this because the video is the same. The video file is the same, even though the file name is different. But since the file itself is the same, we're going to get the same md5 hash every single time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click inline edit here, and I'm just going to delete it. So we delete the file md5 from that video. And why I did that is because then we can just use this to check if our where clause was working, because if our where clause is correct, it means that won't get updated. So that will stay blank, and the next time we upload the video, only the new row will have the md5 hash of the file. So I'm going to put more, we're going to upload another video one more time. It's the same video as before. We're going to click upload, refresh the videos table, and what we'll see is one row has an MD5 hash and the other doesn't. So you can see the one we deleted is still empty, and the new one has the MD5 hash. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to check one more thing. I'm going to prove that the file name doesn't matter. So what we're going to do, just click on that and we're going to rename it. Okay, we'll actually copy it. So now we have two of the same video. The videos themselves are exactly the same. The only difference is this is has a different file name. So we're going to upload a video with a different file name now. We're going to fill in the fields. We're going to click public and click upload. So we're going to go to the videos folder, or the videos table now, and as you can see in the videos folder we have two more rows, or two more files. And if we scroll over now, we see they have the same MD5 hash because it's hashing the file and not the file name. So no matter what, the file hash will be the same if the video themselves are the same. So now we've done that, we want to put in a check to check for duplicate uploads. So what we're going to do is we actually should move this query down and cut it. We should actually put it here, because this way we can, if the video, we're comparing the video down here, so if the video has already been uploaded, we can use this to stop the upload twice, because otherwise it would still get inserted into the database if it was up there. If we left the query up here, it would still be inserted, regardless of whether it was duplicate or not. So what we're going to do is we're just going to say create a query that says check MD5 equals MySQL query, select file underscore MD5 from videos where video, or where file MD5 equals where the file MD5 equals MD5 underscore file. Okay, so what we want to do is we just want to put a semicolon there, and we want to say if MySQL MySQL num rows check MD5 doesn't equal 0, which means there's been a duplicate. We just want to die. This is a duplicate upload, or else what we want to do is just say, or just run all this these queries. So we just want to say that, and we want to copy this actually. I'll just paste it in here. We can get rid of those. So let's try it now. Let's run it, and what we should get is this is a duplicate upload. So we just put some in the video description, in the video keywords, and set it to public. We get this as a duplicate upload. And if we refresh, we still have 3 rows in our database. So what we're going to do is we're going to empty it so that there's no rows in our database in the videos table. And then we're going to upload again. And we're going to delete the videos as well in the videos folder. So we're just going to run, or type all this to run the script, and we're going to click choose file, choose a video, it doesn't matter, and click upload. We get your video was uploaded successfully, we get the video stored in the folder, and we get the new row in the database. So okay, I just think I found a problem. So let's have a look. This could be a problem, might not be. I don't think we surrounded the move uploaded file in the else statement. So what might happen is it says this is duplicate upload, but yes, it uploads the video to our website anyway. We don't want that, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete the file. So to delete the file, that's really simple. Before we say this is duplicate upload, we want to delete it. So there's a function inside PHP to do that, which is called onLink. What we want to do is we just want to say onLink file name. So now let's try and upload it again. And I'll actually just make this smaller. And I'll put the videos folder in here so you can see. So we're just going to put some information in here. Click public, choose a video and click upload. And as you can see, nothing appeared in the folder. So one more thing we can do in this video before it's over is we're going to get the date the video was uploaded, because that's really easy. So what we're going to say is we're just going to say date equals the date function, and we're just going to say f space j comma capital Y. So what this basically means is it's just gonna say, like, if today was the 3rd of April or the 4th of April, so this would be 4 or 04, I can't remember which, and this would be April, and then this would be the year, which is 2013. So that's really what it means, and we're just going to change this to a variable. So because we've done that, we have to actually empty the table again. So what we're going to do is we're just going to upload a video file. Anything doesn't matter. Privacy doesn't matter either. We're going to put the video in and we're just going to upload it. The video was uploaded successfully. We checked the videos table. We have one new row, and if we scroll over, we can see, oh whoops, I actually got it the wrong way around. Where is it? This is the month, and this is the like date in the month, so the day in the month. And then the year was 2013. So that's really everything. We can actually get rid of this MD5 field because we've got file MD5, so we don't need it. So we can go to structure and just remove it. And now that we've done that, we just need to update our query to insert into the database, and instead of just writing MD5, we can just delete it. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section below, or send me a message. And we've also made a new form recently that just launched yesterday. So you can find that at howcode.org/forum. If you have any questions, just post them there and people will reply to you. And well, okay, yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.